Hello kids.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, so now we are going to learn a very important topic in science, that is different groups of animals based on their habitat. What is habitat? Habitat is a natural home of an animal where an animal lives naturally. Okay, so based on their habitat, animals are grouped into 5 different groups. What are they? Terrestrial animals.
Aquatic animals.
Repeat after me. Terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, amphibians, arboreal animals, aerial animals. Now coming to terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals, animals that live on land. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Either they live on the surface of the land or they live underground. Okay, for example, rabbits, they make burrows under the ground and they live there. Yes, whereas other animals like giraffe, horse, camel, lion, tiger, they live on the surface of the land. All they are called what? Terrestrial animals. They have strong legs. See, they have strong legs to walk and run on the land. Okay, they have lungs to breathe. They have well developed nervous system. Okay, so they have all the good features to survive on the land at different temperatures. Okay, then next coming to aquatic animals. Aquatic animals are those animals which live in water. Okay, for example, fish, whales, dolphins. Okay, so their body structure is made in such a way that they can survive in water. Did you understand, Anvesh? Okay, like fishes, you see, they have gills to breathe. Yes, they have fins to swim. They have scales on their body which makes their body waterproof. Yes, but dolphins and whales, they have lungs. Okay, other fishes, they breathe through gills, but dolphins and whales, they have lungs to breathe. That's why they come on the surface to take fresh air. Yes, again they go inside. Okay, then next is what? Amphibians. What are amphibians? Those animals which can live both on land as well as in water. They can live both on land as well as in water. For example, frogs, toads, salamander. Okay, all these are amphibians. See, frogs and toads, you see, you're listening, Ravinder. Frogs and toads, see, they can live on land as well as in water. When they are on land, they will breathe through lungs. When they are in water, they will breathe through their moist skin. Okay, and they have webbed feet which will help them to swim in water. Did you understand? Okay. Then arboreal animals. What are arboreal animals? Those animals which live on trees. Example? Monkeys. Yes, monkeys, squirrels. They live on trees, right? Most of their life goes on trees. So they have features that will help them to survive on trees. Yes. Then next coming to aerial animals. What are aerial animals? Animals that fly. Animals that fly.